brush me every day. These two libellulas different, and the other one is white and clear. Uh, the 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 fly is white and clear, and this is very clear the fly. So the wings of this is clear, and the other one is black and clear. So that's beautiful. You see, libellula. You see this one different. This is a spot kind of clear and black. This is amazing. You see? You see the wings? You see the wings? It's beautiful. I never have seen this before. You see? See the wings. See the wings. This is beautiful, okay? And this is different, you see? You see how nature works? You see? They are very, very, very friendly. They are very, very friendly. This is beautiful, natural. This is why I take care of my gardens. Because they come to my garden. They come to drink water of my water here. They drink water here, and they lay the eggs over here, and then born in this pot. Because they all the time keep in this side of my gardens. This is beautiful. I love nature, and I take care of this. This is my garden. This is why I take care of my gardens. You see?